So I think I have a problem, and it's a bit of a spending problem. So I have a fantastic high quality drone, which I have right here, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian Edition, and it has served me well. It has created great footage, but I caved and I bought another drone. See, as much as I love the DJI Phantom 4 Pro, I'm going on a trip. And this trip would mean hours and hours of traveling and hiking, and I just don't have it in me to carry this thing on my back for weeks on end. Of course, I'll take it with me, but that doesn't mean I want to take it with me on a 4-hour hike. It was a tough decision, but ultimately, size matters, and I decided to buy the DJI Mavic Air. But before I take it out for my first flight, I wanted to take this opportunity and do the unboxing right here on camera so you can see what's in the box. So I opened the outer box already just because I wanted to make sure that it's actually in there and that it wasn't, something else I ordered. So here is the Mavic Air, and I got a bundle deal. So my combo came with a landing pad, a 64 gigabyte SD card, a couple of extra propellers. So without further ado, let's unbox this thing. All right, so what have we got here? I think I know. There it is. So, just like I thought. Actually, it's a little smaller than I thought. So here we have the drone, the DJI Mavic Air, and it is tiny. Let me actually get my cell phone to compare. So as you can see, look at this. This is my iPhone, and this is the DJI Mavic Air compared. Unfold the rear arms downward. Oh, all right, so the rear arms unfold downward, not out. Don't rip the arms off it like I just almost did. So this is what the drone looks like when the arms are out. As you can see, it's sort of like a bigger iPhone with propellers. Pretty cool. Okay, so this little packet comes with a bunch of things, including the remote controller, which is pretty cute, small, just to compare size. Also as big as my phone, a little bit smaller than my phone. Cable. I got 2 extra battery in this bundle pack. And then in here we have a couple more extra propellers. So as you can see, the box comes with a lot of stuff. Propellers, battery chargers, lots of different cables. But of course the best part is the drone itself. I think I'm in love already and I haven't even flown it. These are the protective, what do you call it? Like protective, the name is, I can't think of it right now, but these are what protect the propellers from getting damaged. So you can add those on to your drone. And in here, in this box, there's also a whole bunch of instruction packets and safety guidelines, which I am guilty of never reading. So just to compare, the Mavic Air is a whole lot smaller than the Phantom Pro, and it weighs a whole lot less. Side view, here's a back view, but probably the best thing is that this can really fold up and this can't. So let's go outside and try this thing out. So the Washington, D.C. area is a no-fly zone, so we're gonna have to drive out pretty far to even get to a spot where I can try out the Mavic Air. So let's go. So I just flew the Mavic Air for a couple of minutes here in this beautiful park in suburban Maryland, and overall I'm pretty happy with it. It's easy to navigate. I had no problem with the controls. I was able to get it where I wanted it to go. However, it does need a lot of color grading, and that's probably because I'm flying this at high noon without an ND filter. Adding an ND filter to the Mavic Air will make a huge difference, so that's the next thing on my to-do list. So should you buy the Mavic Air? Absolutely. Honestly, I think I'll probably be using this a lot more often than my Phantom 4 Pro, even though the Phantom 4 is, better in quality and, flies further and the battery lasts longer. But this is the kind of drone I can just throw into my backpack or my purse on an everyday basis and just have it with me wherever I go. So I think this guy will be used a lot. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean a lot to me. And if you gave this video a thumbs up, that would also mean a lot to me. Leave me a comment and let me know. Are you going to buy the Mavic Air, or do you already have the Mavic Air? What do you think about the Mavic Air? And if you want to know which bundle package I ordered, it came with a lot of accessories and extra batteries and things like that. I'm going to link to that in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.